Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going? Just wanted to do a quick video. It's been covered a little bit on YouTube, but just wanted to show you a little bit of an update of what will happen to your side badges. These were actually purchased from Subi Speed about a year and a half ago, and let alone cost about $40 I believe, but I actually ordered these from China for $7, same exact look, set the colors back to how it was before. So what I'm doing is just basically swapping these two out just to get the red color back. I'm not sure if it was just oxidation, heat, what it is that causes the letters to fade, but rather than painting them, figured $7, spend $4 or $5 for a little bitty paint pen, might as well just fix it this way. So what you want to do first is just open up your door and just grab the side, slowly just peel back. And once you have it peeled off, you just want to clean up the tape here. This was actually one of the very first installs I did. I didn't like the chrome at all, so I was able to swap it out, and instantly I thought it changed the whole look of my WRX. Originally I just did a couple little stick-on features, and I thought this was showroom floor quality. And it took me a little bit of time to just realize how much more I was actually going to be putting into it. Now just working here on getting all of this 3M tape removed. It's a little stubborn. If you haven't already checked it out, I have a video of where I use some knifeless tape and some 5D carbon fiber wrap just to do these little side pieces here. I'm getting this last little part out now, then clean it up and move on to the new installation. So there we go. Now you could spray it with, I'm just spraying it with some water here, but you could put in some alcohol to get a really good stick, but I'm not too worried about it. Just cleaning the car. I waxed it not too long ago, so all this dirt should come right off. So you'll notice on the back here that there's two indentions, one here and one here. Whenever you put the new piece on, you just want to line it up to fit it into the correct area. The only other step is just to remove this 3M tape cover, I guess is what you could call it. Simply line it up and stick. Now once you fit this on here, you want to hold it against the car for probably about 10-15 seconds. Just make sure that everything sticks properly. You don't want to have a gap, otherwise it's going to let dirt, air, moisture, whatever just get into it and cause the side badge to kind of stick up in one spot, or just completely just start sliding off. So with 3M tape, I was surprised, came in from China. This should hold up really well here. That's probably about 15 seconds. Looks like it's pretty good. I'm going to do the other side and I'll show you the finished result. Here's a comparison of the two parts. This is the old here, this is the new. As you can see, the WRX letters are all faded out on this, as well as just kind of the blacks faded as well. These definitely are going to look a whole lot better just getting it replaced. Like I said, it was just a cheap job, so pretty happy with it. So this was a really easy install. Only took me about 15 minutes to do. Just want to say it's about 95 degrees outside, so pulling it apart was really easy since that 3M was pretty loose. But if it's really cold outside, you may have to use a heat gun to get it a little bit more prepped to be able to take off. And whenever you take it off, it's good to try to just pull it away and not try to dig it into the side, or you might scratch some of this inside paint. So just be careful in doing that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe because I got some really cool stuff coming up here within the next 2 weeks. And as always, happy driving and enjoy.